Hello, everyone, and welcome back from break. Welcome to our second half of the semester. We're starting off with week 10. I feel like it's been a while since I've welcomed you to class. So, yes, welcome. And we're going to go ahead and scroll down to week 10. We're looking at playing cognitive theories. This week also marks our first week of facilitation groups. So, we have our first group facilitating this week's content, which I'm very excited for. I also wanted to preface this video with, I apologize if the sound sounds funky. My cat ate my headphones. So I'm just using the computer mic right now, and we're rolling with it. So yes, obviously you found the overview. For week 10 research, we have chapter 7 in our textbook, as well as an article provided for us by our facilitation group this week, a meta theory for cognitive development, or Piaget is Dead, Revisited. So you can go ahead and click that, and that'll open up the PDF for this week's article. Going back, we have our mini lecture provided to us by our facilitation group this week. So we have that there. And then we have our discussion also facilitated by our facilitation group this week. They have provided us with two questions. How do different theories of cognitive development, such as Piaget's and Vygotsky's, explain the role of play in early childhood learning? And how might these perspectives influence the way we design educational activities for young children? They also pose a question in their YouTube video, in their little mini lecture, that if you would like to respond to, feel free to do that in this discussion post as well. As always, the post is due Friday with 2 replies to peers by Sunday. And we're right back at another literature review. Woo! I know you're so stoked. This is our second literature review for the quarter. This will be your final assignment. So similar to our literature review for the midterm, we will be doing the same thing for our final, as well as a brochure added on top of that. Do not worry about the brochure right now. We are just worrying about our final research question, choosing our topic and our research question for the final literature review that we will be writing for our final. How many times can I say final in one sentence? But yeah, over the next 6 weeks, we'll be developing another literature review. We'll go through the same process of research question, annotated bibliography, synthesis matrix, synthesis matrix, yes. And then producing our final product of that literature review for the final. I've also finished grading your midterms, so you can use those notes to learn and apply them, those feedback notes, to our final literature review, which will be due again in about 6 weeks. And it's same thing, except for we have more topics at this point because we're learning more these next 6 weeks. So yes, this is just the research question. What would you like to be researching for your final literature review? That is it, and that's due on Monday. I hope everybody has a fantastic week. Again, let me know if you have any questions, comments, concerns, just want to chat, any suggestions. I'm here to support you in your educational journey, here to help you reach your goals. But yeah, so this I know is a little bit longer of an overview, but it feels like it's been a while since I've chatted with you all. I know it's a one-sided chat and you're just watching me talk to you pretending that we're in a classroom, but we're not. Very meta, whatever. Anywho, have a great week. Let me know if you have any questions. And yep, stoked about the facilitation groups and excited to see what the next few groups have and will be inspiring us to think about. I am going to go ahead and stop the video because I can keep talking forever. So